Hello everyone, I'm Wolfgang from the Tank Encyclopedia team, and today I will be building the T-62 modified version of 1975 from Trumpeter in 1/35th scale. The tank is a T-62 version from 1972 with addition of the KTD2 rangefinder. This means that we can either build the model 1972 or 75 from the box. I'm going the 1975 route. The box contains 510 parts over 16 types of sprues. The tracks and road wheel rubbers are not multiplied here, so we can be sure that the kit will be well detailed. The bathtub style hull comes separate from any sprue, and in it lies the aluminium barrel and the copper wire for the tow cables. 2 sheets of photo etch are also included, with a high attention to details, as well as a sheet with the clearly printed water transfer decals. Decal numbers are mix and match, so any tank ID number can be used. Let's start with the actual build. The first step is to assemble the road wheels. Be aware that if you want to paint the rubbers, you have to do so before gluing them to the road wheels. You won't be able to do so afterwards. I had to make corrections since I looked over this in the instructions. The instructions write that there are type A and B road wheels, so build them and attach them in order. If you don't do that, however, it shouldn't be a huge loss, since I couldn't find any difference between the two types. Gluing the road wheels in place, have a flat and hard surface, so the wheels will be in one line. You can adjust them further with a sanding stick or a ruler, for example. Don't yet glue in the drive sprockets, this way you can move them when attaching the tracks. Using masking tape you can fix the track links until the glue is doing its magic. Wait a few minutes until you can lift the whole section. You can bend the tracks after letting the glue dry for circa 3 or 4 minutes, depending on the plastic and the glue type. Now you can put the section in the desired position and let them dry fully while using some weights to secure them in place. I do advise to leave the upper and lower hull separate until the tracks are painted and glued in place. That way it's much simpler to paint and weather them. You can glue the PE parts using CA glue by applying it with a sharpened toothpick. Only glue the corners though. From here on, everything is straightforward. The turret was faster done than I thought. I'm sorry for the lack of video footage here, but the number of small parts made it too hard to get high quality shots. My impressions of the kit so far. The parts are excellently made and there is no flashing or seams. The tracks were a charm to work with. Everything found its place on the first try. I did not use a single drop of putty in this build. It's just so well engineered and molded. A+ job from Trumpeter with amazing detailing. Thanks for watching the first part of this mini-series. Next time we will paint and weather this beautiful kit. Until then, have a great time and don't forget to check the Tank Encyclopedia website for more amazing articles on tanks and armored fighting vehicles. Please consider donating to our Patreon campaign as well, you can find the link in the description. Thank you very much. Goodbye.